My dear students, this is the our part 6 of chapter 13, division. Dolma took a loan from a friend to buy a mob for rupees 9,588. How much she borrowed from her friend? Rupees 9,588. She has to pay it back in the equal amount every month for 6 months. Okay, so she has to pay equal amount for the 6 months. It means we have to divide 9,588 into 6 equal parts. Yes, what we have to do? We have to divide. So here we have to do the division. Understood? Here this is a part of division. So division is only. But in your exam, sums are mixed up. Division, addition, multiplication. Okay. So you have to find out where we have to do the subtraction, where we have to do the addition, where we have to do the multiplication, and where we have to do division. So here you have to identify like this way. How much will she have to pay every month? She asked her children to calculate. So see students, we are not following this method. We have to just do over here simple division. Okay. So here rupees 9,588 divided by 6. Okay. Why divided by 6? Because we have to divide into 6 months. Clear students? So 9,588 divided by 6, simple division. How we are doing? Same way we have to do. Set the table of 6 till or less than 9. First you have to observe student. Here my 9 is a bigger than 6. Yes, it is a bigger than 6. So we have to say the table. We have to take only one digit. Okay. So we have to say the table till or less than 9. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So 12 is a bigger than 9. So we have to take 6 ones are 6. 6 from the 9 it is a 3. Now carry it down next digit 5. Again we have to take the table of 6 till or less than 35. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36. So 36 is bigger than 35, so we have to take 30. 6 fives are 30, so 5 over here, 6 fives are and over here 30. Do the subtraction. 0 from the 5, 5, 3 from 3, 0. Carry it down, next digit 8. Okay. Again set the table of 6 till and less than 58. 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. So which one? 6 10s are 60. Okay. So 60 is a bigger. So we have to take the 54. 6 9s are 54. 4 from the 8 it is a 4. 5 from 5 it is a 0. Again carry it down 8. Say the table of 8. Yes, 48. 6 8s are 48. So our remainder is 0. So our answer, question is our answer. This is the our remainder. So what is our answer? Rupees 1,598. So she has to pay every month rupees 598 to her friend for 6 months. Understood? Every month she has to pay 1,598. Next month 1,598. Then till 6 months. Understood student? So this way students you have to do the division. Don't learn this method. We don't want this method. We have to learn our direct method, and this you have to write in your notebook. Down statement you have to write. Okay, whenever word problems are there you have to write the statement. Will both of them will get the same answer? So here you have to find, yes, these and these answers are same only. Okay, so if you follow this method, then answers are same, but we have to do these only. Clear, student? Now turn your page. Practice time. You know the division very well. Okay, try to solve these using as a few steps as you can. So which one? Here we have to do this sum with a simple division method. Okay, so please students, this is your homework and you have to try to solve by yourself. Already we know this, how to solve the division. Now next, students, write in your notebook and don't skip it. Okay, how many times 976 children are going on a picnic? They will be taken in a minibus. If 25 children can go in a one bus, how many buses they need? Okay, so here total students how many? 976 students. Okay, but in one bus how many students? 25. So we have to divide into 25 group. 25 for this bus, 25 for these, 25 for these. Okay, so many buses are here. 125 here, second 25 here, third here, 4 here. Okay, so we have to divide into group of 25. Clear? So what we have to do? We have to divide. So here we have to do the division. 976 divided by 25. Clear, students? If you forgot like this way, if you are not able to identify like this way, students, I told you, you have to use our golden key method. Okay, how to do? Look at over here. Okay, how many buses they need? So for one bus, okay, how many students? 25 students. So for 25 students, we need the one bus. So for 976 students, how many bus we need? Put the question mark, cross multiplication. 976 multiply by 1 divide by 25. 976 ones are 976 divide by 25. Automatically you can identify over here division. Okay, whenever mix up sums are there, you feel trouble, then this one golden key method, cross multiplication method, is very useful to you. So here we have to do the division. 976 divided by 25. First step is what? What you have to observe, students? You have to observe here 25 and here 97. 2 digits, so we have to observe 2 digits. A 2 digit is bigger than or smaller than 25? Bigger than. So we have to take 2 digit only. Okay, but if it is smaller than 25, then we have to take 3 digit. Clear? So say the table of 25 till or less than 97. We don't know. Do over here multiplication. Okay, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100. Yes, if you are not able to identify directly, you have to do the division. 25 twos are, multiplication. 25 threes are. Clear? So here 100 is bigger than 97. So we have to take 75. 25 threes are 75. Do the subtraction. 5 from 7 2, 7 from 9 again 2. After writing these, students, you have to check. My 22 is smaller than 25. Yes, then our answer is right. Okay, if it is a bigger, then something mistake is there. Now carry it down 6. Now say the table of 25 till or less than 226. So here 25 fours are, 25 fives are 125, 25 sixes are 150, 25 sevens are 175, 25 eights are 200, 25 nines are 225, 25 tens are 250. Okay, so here 25 nines are 225. Okay, what is the remain? 1. 5 from the 6, it is a 1. So how many bus required? 39 buses. Okay, so here you have to write how many buses required. 39 buses required for 976 children, and 1 children will left. Okay, 39 buses will full, but how many children left? 1 will left. Okay, 2 children have solid. Check if they have the made mistake, correct it and discuss it. So students, we don't know this formula, so don't follow this method. We have to do this one simple division. If I will teach you this, then someone having the doubts regarding this, how they can teach over here. Okay, and this is not useful in our ahead standard, so better we will go with a simple division method. It is easy only, students. Okay, if you try to understand, then easy only, but it is not easy for all. That's why just we will go for these only. Clear? Now, how much petrol? Isa has ₹1,000 with her. She wants to buy petrol. 1 liter of petrol costs ₹67. How many liters can she buy? So what we have to do, students? Total money how? 1,000. Okay. What is the cost of the 1 liter petrol? Yes, 67. So very easy, students. We have to find how many liters. So for 67 rupees, we can buy the 1 liter of petrol. So with ₹1,000, how many liters we can buy? Okay, golden key method, students. Okay, we can open almost lock with this key. Clear? So cross multiplication. 1,000 ones are 1,000. This one remaining is our division. Okay, so here 1,000 divided by 67. So here we have to do the division. Clear? If you are easily identify, then it's very good, but if you are not able to identify easily, then use this method. Only one thing you have to keep in your mind: rupees under rupees, liter under liter. We have to find how many liters, so put over here question. These things we have to write back. First we have to write rupee. What we have to find, this we have to write like this way. Clear, students? Now see, students, very easy. 1,000 divided by 67. Now check here, students. First what we have to observe here, it is a 2 digit, so we have to observe here 2 digit. Our 2 digit is 67, here our 2 digit is 10. It is a smaller than 67, so we have to take 3 digit. Understood? Now set the table of 67. 67 ones are 67. 67 twos are. Okay. 2 sevens are 14, carrying 1. 6 twos are 12 and 1, 13. See, 2s is higher than 100. So we have to follow 67. Ones are 67. 7, take over here 10, here 9 and here 0. 7 from the 10, 3, 6 from the 9, 3, carried down 0. Okay. Now again 67 twos are, we know 134, 67 threes are. 7 threes are 21, carrying 1, 6 threes are 18 and 1, 19, 192. Okay. 67 fours are, 7 fours are 28, carrying 2, 6 fours are 24, 24 and 2, 26. Okay. Now 67 fives are, 5 sevens are 35, carrying 3, 6 fives are 30 and 3, 33. So 335 is higher. Yes. So what 67 fours are? 262. After practice, students, you can directly identify 67 2 is 134, so it's little far from the 330. So direct you can try with the 4 5 6. Okay, but if you are not able to identify directly, then you have to do the multiplication like this way. Clear? Now 10 over here 2, not possible. 12 and here 2. 2 from the 10, 8, 6 from the 12, 6. Something mistake we did, student, over here. Yes, 7 4s are 28. Carrying 2. 6 4s are 24 and 2 20. How I can identify, students, this mistake? See, here my answer is 68. Okay, I don't want any remainder over here greater than 67. Here 68 is greater, so I directly identify something mistake is there. Okay, see over here I did the mistake in multiplication. 7 4s are 28. So here 8 is there. So 8 from the 10, it is a 2 and 6, 62. Understood, students? So whenever you feel like this way, okay, our answer is never greater than 67. Understood? So here 68 is there. So something mistake I made. That's why I checked again. Clear? So here 62 is remaining. So what is the 14? Yes, 14 liters. Okay. So with the 1000 rupees, Isa can buy 14 liters petrol and 62 rupees is left with her. Understood? So this way, students, you have to write in your notebook. Okay, Isa comes to your city. How much petrol she can buy with the same money? So you have to identify. Our current rate is suppose 83. So you have to do with the 83 rupees Isa can buy the 1 liter petrol. So with rupees 1000, how many liters? Put the question mark, cross multiplication. 1000 ones are 1000 divided by 83. It means here you have to divide by 83. So these, students, you have to try by yourself. Thank you.